Hello friends, my name is Amrita Shinde. In this video, today we are going to see the Hello World program of C programming language in Turbo C. First of all, we need to download a Turbo C++ from the browser and install it on our machine. After that, we will get an icon of Turbo C. Then double click on that icon. You will get a blue color window on which the different navigations are present at the upper sides, and at the below there are the short keys. Actually in Turbo C there are the two different windows. First is input window on which we are going to write our code, and another is output window on which our code executed and give the output. As you can see, there are the different navigations at the upper side. We are going to click on the first one, that is a file, which is on the left of the upper side. After clicking, we can get different options like new, open, save. We have clicked on the new button. The new file opened, which is in default .cpp format. Before starting the code, we are going to see the procedure of the saving the file. That is the save button. We are going to save our file with the file name .c extension, and we can save file by using F2. Next is the compiling process. As we know, the compiler we needed because the user's language or the programming language is not understandable by the machine. So the compiler will convert our programming language into a machine language. So we need a compilation. It will show you the different, if any errors or warning inside your program, then it will show you or inform you to remove it. There is again a short key for compilation, that is Alt plus F9. Next process is running our program. We can run our program by clicking Ctrl F9. The output of our screen will be shown on our output screen. Next, now let's start with the program. The first symbol is we are going to use, that is a hashtag. It is a preprocessor directive. In front of, we are using the word that is include. It is a keyword that is used to include the files, predefined files. Next, angular brackets, opening, closing. Inside this angular bracket, we are going to use .h, means header files. In the header files, there are predefined multiple functions so that we can use it throughout our program. We are going to use two type of header files, stdio.h and conio.h. In stdio.h, there are stdio.h means standard input output header. In this file, the input output functions are defined, which we can use for inputting data from user or output the result. And next is a conio.h, that is console input output header. In this file, the functions can be used for outputting the customization or the improve the readability of our program, like clear screen, get ch, etc. Next, void. Void, it means null. Then main, it is a mother function of our program from where the actual program execution is started. In one program, only one main function is allowed to create. Next, parenthesis, it indicates that it is a function in which the code inside the code is written, opening and closing curly braces, where the indication of closing and opening and closing of the function. Next, we are going to use a function of con.io.h, that is a clear screen function, which is used to erase the previous program's output on our output screen. Next, printf, it is a function, it is a predefined function of stdio.h. It is used to output whatever text written in that on our output screen. Then getch, it is predefined function of con.io.h, means the output screen will hold, or it will show you the output until we don't press any key. When we press any key, it will exit from the output screen and get back to the input screen. As you can see, there are ending of all the statements are with the semicolons. Let's save our file. Let's say hello world.c. Now next step is compilation. Here you can see a window with the multiple informations of like how many lines are compiled, any errors, any warning inside our program. It indicates success, means there is no error. You can press any key to exit from this window. Our last step is run. Here you can see our program's output. That is, we wanted to print hello world, and now it's showing our output as a hello world on our output screen. If you like our video, then please subscribe and like our channel, and don't forget to give reviews.